Hi guys, my name is Julie and I'm from the Mississauga Library, and today I'm going to teach you all how to make your very own musical instruments at home. So let's get started. We'll begin with a guitar. This is so simple and easy. You only need 4 things. An empty Kleenex box or restaurant takeaway dish for the base of your guitar, an empty paper towel roll for the neck of your guitar, and an empty yogurt container for the top. And then of course, for the strings, some cut up elastic bands. Now, this was very simple. I glue gunned all of my pieces together, and I cut my elastics in half and then tied them to the top and bottom of my restaurant takeaway dish. And guess what it produces? A fully functioning guitar. Now, guitar strings vibrate when you pluck them, and the guitar's hollow, this middle piece, helps to amplify the sound of the strings. So the pitch of the strings is higher for strings that are tied tightly and lower for strings that are tied a little looser. So check it out, a fully functioning guitar. Neat, huh? All right, next up. How about a pan flute? This was so simple and easy. All you need is some straws. Now the first thing I did was cut my straws to all different lengths. Then I just taped them together. It's that easy. Now with the pan flute, sound is made by air that is vibrating across the openings of these holes. Now the length of each straw will produce a different pitch. So longer straws will produce a lower pitch, and shorter straws will produce a higher pitch. Put them all together, and you get a pan flute. Pretty neat, huh? All right, next up. How about a rain stick? Now this is so easy. All you need is an empty paper towel roll and 2 balloons. And then of course, whatever you're gonna put into your rain stick. So I filled mine with some buttons, but you can also use small stones, anything that makes a little bit of a sound. Rice, for example. Now I filled my rain stick and then I covered the 2 ends with my rubber balloons, securing them very tightly with elastic bands. And then of course you can decorate it however you like. And the sound of the objects inside falling from top to bottom mimic the sound of rain falling from the sky. It's that simple. Okay, let's get funky with some bongo drums. Who doesn't love bongo drums, right? This is so much fun to make. And again, very easy. All you need is an empty tin can, like a soup can, and a balloon that you cut the tip off. So you want the stretchy part of the balloon. So all I did was stretch the balloon, if you can see, over the top of my tin can, securing it very tightly with elastic bands. And then using a mallet or even a spoon, you can make a bongo drum. Now with bongo drums, the sound of the bongo is made by vibrating the air around the bongo. So when you hit the drum, you send off sound waves. Pretty neat, huh? And of course, I've saved the best for last. A water xylophone. Now this is really cool. I have filled some mason jars with colored water. And as you can see, there's different levels of water in each jar. Now by striking the glass container, I'm going to produce vibrations. And the pitch, the sound, is going to be higher or lower depending on how much water I put into each glass. So more water will produce a lower sound, and less water will produce a higher sound. Pretty cool, huh? It is that easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out our Facebook page, our Instagram page, and our website for more fun videos. And remember, be safe and be sharp. Cheesy joke, I know. Take care, you guys.